So the inspiration for Ufonia was that it was born out of the idea that there's huge amounts of routine, stereotyped clinical activity, and that activity really isn't high value for clinicians to be performing, and often isn't that useful for patients to have to go into the hospital for this kind of stuff as well. So the idea was, if we can automate that in a patient acceptable way, which they really like, then that can provide a lot of value back to the healthcare system. So the support from SBRI has been really fundamental in helping to build the business and overcome the challenges that we face. So for instance, getting clinical engagement from top clinicians in the country with the support of the program has been great. Evidence generation to get programs and get trials up and running with the support from SBRI has been very useful. And then also to attract talent to be associated with such a prestigious program is really, really fundamental in attracting that talent and retaining it. So the AI award has been really helpful to help us grow the business as well. In particular, what it allowed us to do is to run a multi-site clinical trial at Oxford University Hospitals and Imperial Healthcare Trust. And that's been great for us in order to generate data to show both the efficacy and patient acceptability of the system. We've been very fortunate to be supported by SBRI Net Zero in the work that we are doing, and that's been to support some work in head and neck cancer triage. That pathway we've been able to model with the support of the award, and that currently across the UK is 2 million tonnes of carbon emitted per year. And we've been able to show that using Dora, our autonomous assistant, has an immense impact on that carbon emissions and the triple bottom line. We currently have 13 NHS trusts signed up to use the system, and we are now in the process of rolling out to those trusts. And so the immediate future is about execution and delivery for those clients, and beyond that, it will be growing that client base and delivering for those new clients as well.